Welcome to Module 4 in our self-paced training class, where we will discuss assignments that allow students to submit their work to you digitally through Canvas. So in the previous modules, we discussed courses in general, we discussed pages that allow you to present the material to students in an interactive way, and now an assignment is the tool in Canvas that allows students to receive work from you, perform work, submit that back to you as the teacher, and it also allows teachers to grade digitally and provide feedback digitally. So Canvas can take over that entire workflow for you in a paperless fashion. So you can push out the work, students complete the work digitally, and submit the work back to you to be graded and receive comments and feedback. Of course, there are several different ways that you can allow students to submit their work to Canvas. First and foremost, there is text entry. So you might create an assignment that is just a text entry where students type their answer right into Canvas. Canvas also allows for a submission type that is a website URL. So students could give you a web address or a link to a website as their work. One of the really cool features is media recording. So you can create an assignment that allows students to take a quick video of themselves right within Canvas using their Chromebook's webcam. This is a powerful tool that allows students to describe their knowledge to you in their own words. Student annotation is a very new type of submission, and this basically allows a teacher to take a file and then push out a read-only copy. So students can't change the wording or make any changes to the file, but then they can highlight sections, they can draw on top of it with kind of a digital pen, and this is really useful, especially for the littles. Students that maybe typing is a little harder for them, they can draw and circle and underline. Of course, Canvas will allow students to submit file uploads. So if your assignment required students to type a paper, create a presentation in Google Slides, anything of that nature, if they have created a digital file, then they can turn that into you in a paperless format without having to deal with a printer. And finally, there is an external tool submission type, and this opens up all sorts of interactions between Canvas and external websites and programs such as Newsela, Pear Deck, even Google Drive, so you can bring in all of those other digital tools that you enjoy right into Canvas. In this module, we will also talk about a new feature with Google Drive integration, and so this is called Google Assignments Lti 1.3, and this is a new way that Canvas interacts with Google. And basically, the exciting thing is this assignment type will trick Google and Canvas into working together to be your copy machine. So if you have an original document that you want students to then take and edit, you can attach that document. Canvas will create a copy for each student that lives on their Google Drive where it cannot be lost. They can't forget it at home or leave it in their backpack. That digital copy, students can edit, put their work into that digital copy, and then submit it back to you to be graded. So that really streamlines your workflow and allows everything to be digital and opens up all sorts of templates that you could send out to students. And of course, when students submit work to you in these assignments, Canvas will allow you to do the grading and the feedback digitally as well. So there is a tool referred to as Speed Grader, which lets you quickly and easily move through different student submissions, take a look at what they've submitted, provide grades, comments, and feedback. In addition, Canvas has a built-in rubric feature where you can build and even reuse rubrics to speed up that feedback process. So in this module, you will be presented with very short videos that will show you exactly how to integrate those assignments. So you will learn how to create an assignment within Canvas. You will learn how to manage all of those different online submission types, and you will see examples of each one. It will also walk you through the process of grading student work using that Speed Grader. There will also be short videos that show you exactly what the Google Drive integration is like with the new Google Drive assignments. And finally, you will learn how to create rubrics and grade using those rubrics within SpeedGrader. So again, these very short videos will help you build the skills that you will need to push out assignments and collect the work from your students, and will prepare you for the performance task at the end of the module where you will do exactly that.